Becomes a car.
Well, turn it on first so I can get out of the way. Look, can you imagine robbing a bank? It tells you the size and everything. Size 12.
So we knew how to find size 12. Oh, memories.
No, you can't.
Oh, that'll fit McKenna.
Is that really?
That's from your wedding.
That's Kathy's
no,
wedding.
Kathy's wedding. Sherry's wedding.
No.
Sherry.
I
That's not
think
my
it's
wedding.
from my. No.
It's yours.
It's kind
Not
of
for me.
cute, but
That's cute, but not for. Oh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that I like the sparkles. Yes.
What size?
That's cute, but I don't want
It is too little for me. I was thinking that.
Sure, you can read it.
Well, how cute. I don't want it.
Yeah. Here's something sparkly.
Ooh, I want sparkles.
I gave you a shirt already.
Be happy with it.
Roseanne, here's two.
Yeah, there's two.
Oh, it's even got a...
No, it's... Here, give them to me. Okay.
No, it's... Here, give them to me.
No, here, wait. Can I have the hanger?
You can have those socks.
Are there socks?
This is kind of cute.
What's in the bag over there?
That's fit McKenna. That is what I bought. That's my bit of honey.
Oh, you bought bit of honeys and earrings?
You want one?
I do. Or my weed. Give me the camera.
Here, lift it
It's
just
rolled.
with one arm.
It's recording.
Oh. Oh.
It's rolled.
Wait, which...
Filming
Oh.
heavy?
Oh my gosh, doesn't that hurt your shoulder? My shoulders are weak.
It is heavy.
Sherry, see if you can do it.
Sherry, she's strong.
Oh.
Do it, see? She'll make everybody dizzy.
Wow, Sherry.
Well, let's see you do it. You're doing it.
That's great.
You're doing it.
All right.
Okay.
Oh,
Bit of
put my
honey.
earring in.
We'll put the other one in.
Like a big ball, but when the clock strikes 12, be prepared to pay the consequences.
Whoa, whatever. Whatever. We can stay out past midnight if we want.
Be prepared.
We want to stay out for
Do you want one? Here
midnight.
comes Sherry.
Oh, watch out.
Where are you parked?
Oh, right.
Oh!
Let me get to a different view. Oh, yeah, lovely.
Can you see it okay?
Yeah, we can see
Okay,
it
can I
lovely.
take it off now?
Ow.
These are cute.
A dad's dream to have enough money to live the kind of life his wife and kids do.